So now let's talk about spin quantum number, which I couldn't complete in my last video. Spin quantum number. So it is represented by S, and it was not the part of Schrödinger wave equation, but it was discovered after the wave equation, and in the wave equation there were N, L and M, and it was discovered after it. So what it tells you about? It tells you about the rotation of electron, like in a orbital, how the electron actually moves. Does it move clockwise, or it moves anti-clockwise? Clockwise means positive half, anti-clockwise negative half. For example, this is the x-axis, this is y-axis, this is a z-axis, right? So how it is moving? It is moving clockwise or anti-clockwise. So if I am talking about x-axis, so here this is positive, this is negative. So here it will move, which will be positive, which will be clockwise, and this will be anti-clockwise. So spin quantum number actually tells you about the rotation of electron, like does it move clockwise or anti-clockwise. So in chemistry, clockwise is positive half and anti-clockwise is negative, and this make a pair of electron. This is known as positive, this is known as negative, and these make a pair of electron. Okay, so now let's review the formulas which we have learned in my last videos of quantum numbers, like principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and now spin quantum number. So now let's look at the formula of principal quantum number. Like if I want to find how many orbitals will come in a shell, how you will find? There's a formula n square. For example, I want to find how many orbitals will come in shell number 3, right? 3 square is equals to 9. So 9 orbitals will come in shell number 3. Now let's find out is it correct or not. Okay, n is equals to 3, L is equal. Now we know that if I want to know that how many suborbit, like subshell, will come in a shell, so number of subshell, number of shell is equal to number of subshell. So the shell number is 3, so subshell will be also 3, which will be 0, 1, 2, S, P and D, right? Now let's talk about magnetic quantum number, which will be 0, minus 1, 0, plus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, plus 2. Now let's count. According to this, we found that there are 9 orbitals, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it means it is correct that in one shell there will be, like in shell number 3, there will be 9 orbitals. So this means this formula is correct of finding the orbitals in a shell. So now if I want to find that how many orbitals will come in a subshell, for example, I am having subshell S, which is 0, and I want to know that subshell P, and I want to know that how many orbitals will come in this. So the formula is 2L plus 1, right? 2, azimuthal quantum number is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equals to 4. So it means that wait a minute, this is wrong. 2 L1 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So it means 3 orbitals will come in P. Like if I want to find it, okay, I know that there are 3 orbitals in P. If I want to know that how many electrons will come in this P subshell, so the formula is 2L plus 1. So this is the formula for finding electrons in a subshell. So here 2, here 1 plus 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. It means there will be 3 electrons in, or 6 electrons in P, and there will be 3 suborbitals. Here is the spin quantum number of P orbital. So orbital will be Px, Py, and Pz. If I want to know that how many orbitals will come in suborbit 3, okay, now I'm having formula 2L plus 1, 2, 3 plus 1. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So it means 7 degenerate is having equal amount of energy. 7 degenerate orbitals will come in this subshell, okay, and I have to find that in this how many electrons will come. So formula is 2L plus 1, 2, 3 plus 1, okay, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14. So it means that 14 electrons will come. F is equals to 14, and there will be 7 degenerate orbitals of F14. Degenerate means having equal amount of energy. So I hope that the concept of spin quantum number and these formula is clear to you.